Well, guys, considering we got 6 inches of snow in the last 2 days and an unprecedented event in Texas, we haven't had this much snow in 50 years. It got me to thinking, you guys, we've not gone over what happens to insects in the winter time. So, we do know that insects are cold-blooded, meaning that they cannot regulate their body temperature. They rely on outside sources. So if they were out here, they'd be mighty cold. So let's go over just a few adaptations that insects have to get them through the wintertime. So the first one you've already heard about, hibernation. It's really not like hibernation in warm-blooded creatures like you hear about with bears. It's a little different, but there are a few insects that do that, such as social wasps do this. Queen wasps will actually overwinter. I found them in birdhouses and my bee house. Everyone else in the colony will die, and the pregnant queen will survive over the winter and come out in the spring and then start a new nest, which is kind of cool. Also, lots of beetles. They will dig under the soil and use that as insulation. A lot of things come inside your house and use your warmth that's in your home to warm up. So that's kind of cool. There's another one that we probably should talk about. It's called Diapause. And this is not like hibernation in the fact that they remain in whatever form that they are when it gets wintertime. This is actually like a pause in their life cycle. So it'll be between 2 stages, between eggs and larvae, or larvae and pupae, or pupae and adults. So they'll pause it in their life cycle, and they'll overwinter as that. So how they do this, they slow down their bodily processes. So they're slow down, for lack of a better word, their heartbeat, so their blood pumping, and they'll slow down their breathing, and it'll be as minimum as they possibly can, so they don't have to use as much energy, and they just wait it out until it gets warm again. And temperature is not the only thing that makes them do this, but that's what we're talking about today. One more last thing. There are a few insects that make kind of like an antifreeze. It's not antifreeze, but it's a similar chemical. And things that are adapted to up north, they will actually produce this chemical in their body, and it keeps them from freezing, which is super cool. So, all right, guys. Well, I hope that everyone is surviving the snow apocalypse of 2021. And I'll see you next time on Belton's Backyard Buddies. Bye.